Fantasyland Hotel, West Edmonton Mall, Part 2. This looks like it's a Polynesian themed hallway. And this is room 924. Alright, so this is a 2 queen bed superior room. So you got extra bedding, ironing board, luggage rack, and in that corner is a safe over there, but these doors are rather hard to move. And you got a whole bunch of hangers, which is good. Alright, so we'll swing right over here into the bathroom. For some reason the light for the bathroom is in the hallway, but that's okay. Got a full length mirror on the door going into the bathroom. And here's the bathroom. So you got a really deep tub. And you got your towels, place to do your business. And you got your curling or hair dryer, makeup mirror. There I am. And you got your amenities. All right, let's go into the room. So you got a Keurig machine, 4 pods, couple cups, sweetener. So on the left you got your desk, good sized work area, and like I said, 2 queen beds. And a connecting room. My last video, there was a day bed right here. This room doesn't have that. Got 2 lights over top the beds, alarm clock. And same thing on my last video, you may want to go back and check it out. World's oldest thermostat. Still in existence. So this is a south-facing room, like 9th floor. A little better weather than was last time. And that is the water park right there. And they do have valet parking and underground parking right under that structure there. And there's the skyline for Edmonton looking south to the southwest. And another mirror. And you got your ice buckets, corkscrew, a couple glasses, wine glasses, 2 bottles of water, your room service menu. And this is May 13th. So you got a fridge down there, some basic drawers here. And that is the full room tour. So click like, comment, subscribe, and please check out my other video.